Do you remember this? Hello, this is the best chef. I am making béarnaise. This is the steak, the New York strip steak that I prepared for sous videing. And this is tarragon shallot in white wine vinegar, and water. I will reduce this about 4 tablespoons of the liquid. Strain it really good. Welcome back, Nemaco. I'm gonna use my Nemaco immersion circulator to sous vide this 2 pieces of steak. The moment the temperature dropped down to 75, the sous vide kicked off and kept the water and the room temperature. I use my immersion circulator to defrost my meat. I think it's ready. I choose to cook my New York strip steak to 120 Fahrenheit for 1 hour and a half. I want it to be rare. For my béarnaise, I will whisk 3 egg yolks and then I drop it. Time is up. Let's make our sauce. Teaspoon of caper, tarragon leaves, very good quality Irish butter. Mince this together. I put it in a plastic wrap, just like that. To make a hollandaise sauce, 1 steel, 1 glass, just so my eggs doesn't cook. I just drop it there. The first few pieces of butter are very critical. Emulsification is happening, the sauce can break. Also a few drops of reduced tarragon and shallot. Mix the salt, white pepper, cayenne pepper. And finally my béarnaise is ready. Time to sear and finish the steak. Some salt, some avocado oil. It takes a lot of heat to a very hot pan. The internal temperature is still rare. That's amazing. I'll let the steak rest for 10 minutes. Let's see what we got inside. Very extremely juicy, very tender. Look at this. Wow. Rare or medium rare from edge to edge.